56 points. No, and now I think we gave up 60 plus points in second half. So as much as we want to enjoy and be happy on this game, I don't think this is our game. No, we gave up 119 points, which is really a bad defensive game for us. Yes, we scored 127. Yes, that's good. No, offensively, we know that's a positive side. We know that we have a lot of powers in our team. We're not relying so much on our starters. No? So it's really the concern now is really our defense, especially going to Sunday's game against Meralco. We have to defend. We cannot defend like this. No? So I think that's a concern on this team, on this game. So
Coach, you mentioned defense. What adjustments and standards would you like to see come Sunday against Meralco?
Well, obviously we defend like this and we keep Meralco 119 points. I don't think we'll have a chance on Sunday's game. No, we know Meralco will defend. So I'm not sure. It's great. It's good if we're going to score 127 also against Meralco. But I doubt. No, I doubt because I know them. They emphasize defense also. So it's going to be like we really have to be on point on our defense. We have to go back and take a look at the video of this game. Especially, I think our concern also is our fast break points of the opponent. So medyo concerned din yun, especially if we try to play big all the time. So yun, I think we just need to refocus on our defense going on Sunday's game. So again, I always emphasize sa team namin to play defense because again, we're capable of scoring like this, 127 or 3 plus points. This is not a concern. Concern is really defense. So we have to go back and take a look at the defensive lapses that we have this game. So we improve to get better on Meralco's game on Sunday.
Thank you, Coach. At this point, we're opening the floor.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, si Figure, double-double, si Gervasimo mo sa 13-4-6, pero si Ian at si Mark, nakita sila mga responsible for your win. Is this a probe na i-find sila doon sa i-attack mo considering medyo more emphasis on the guys in
Actually, honestly, I'm not really emphasizing the young players. I just want, everyone as a, kasi because of my composition namin sa team ngayon, anybody can start, anybody can play. I just want to have a combination, so far na nag-work. I'm not really emphasizing, mga bata muna, diba? Ako si mga vets sa susunod there's a purpose kung bakit ganito yung combination na ginagawa namin sa coaching staff. Again, vets are vets. Whether they play 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, even 5 minutes, I know they will deliver. And I know they will play because they're vets are vets. And it's a good thing for us that the vets are showing us sa team namin, showing the young players that even though they're not starters or they're playing limited minutes, they're playing their hearts out. So it's a good sign for our team. Sa chemistry ng team namin, maganda yun. And moving forward, it will help us. It will help us. Doesn't matter if you're vet, doesn't matter if you're a younger player, you will have your opportunity. Yun ang gusto kong iparating sa mga players natin dito sa Magdor. So it just happened now na nag-start ako ng mga bata, young players, but in the end, it's still, the combination will be the composition of the young and the vets. Because I have to take advantage of my young players who can deliver, at the same time my vets who are really season and sanay na sa mga deep liga. So, yun yung gusto kong gawin dito sa team na to.
Kung parang kami nag-iyan kumain kasi second straight time na sila po ulit. So, ano nagugustuhan mo po sa platform na kami mo na-bench yung dalawa?
Well, if they can play like that, coming off the bench, medyo advantage sa amin yun. No? And then the starters, the young players will set the tone, and then the vets will increase the energy and setting the tone. Magkakaroon pa rin ng continuous momentum with our vets. Parang hindi bumababa yung level ng laro namin. The more coming off the bench, and the more that they increasing the level of the game. No? So I think that's an advantage for us. Hopefully, matuloy-tuloy.
Growing like rebounding wise as well as defense, it's all about how you load it over the rebounds, especially with high touch for that timing.
I think I was just the beneficiary of the ball. Maybe when my teammates are boxing out, people are hitting bodies, so a lot of those were uncontested. So I think just as a team, we want to make sure that they're only getting one shot, and so especially because we didn't do a great job rebounding against the Nevers, so we wanted to make sure that we won the rebounding battle tonight, which we did, but not by as much as we would like to do.
See, Coach LA is talking about defense. We all know you're a defensive player of the year last season, so it's a challenge for you to come up with better defensive plays against Manila.
Yeah, I think our defense was, like Coach said, it was lacking. On the team's part, on my part, I think we all need to do better, especially going into a game against Morocco. Because, like Coach said, if we play defense like we did tonight, it's going to be really tough for us to come up with the W. So, defensive player of the year means nothing for this season. So it's about proving it every night for myself, for our team, and hopefully we can bounce back on that side of the floor. So.
Si Rafael Subato, hindi maganda yung laro pa mo. Little bit about it.
Just like what I said a while ago, tulad ng sabi mo, I always tell the players that it doesn't matter who will play. I want them to be ready for that. I don't want our team to be parang nakikita lang ng team na they were relying only on our starters. I want deeper bench as possible. Just like tonight, it was Russell. Actually, last game it was Rafi Verano who played limited minutes but had a really good, contribution with our main asset. It just showed that the players are ready to play, and that's what we want. As much as possible, everyone should be ready and everyone should play the same way as fighters are playing, the same way as the vets are playing. And if we do that, moving forward, I think we're going to be in good shape. Again, I told them, I cannot promise that I'm going to use them every game, the players. But every time I use them, they have to focus on defense. Yun lang naman ang gusto ko sa kanila.